So hi everyone. So I'm now here with one of the OGs in the tech blogging, vlogging, and also the tech media na rin, Sir Ted Claudio.
Hey, what's up? What's up? Kamusta guys?
And so Sir Ted, as a real OG, ano bang favorite feature mo ng Honor X9C Smart 5G?
Siyempre for me, siyempre busy tayo no. Kuminsan may coverage tayo mula umaga hanggang gabi.
Yes.
So kailangan nating something that will last us the whole day. Pati night na nga eh. So etong phone na to, 5,800 milliampere siya. So kayang-kaya yan maghapon. Kuminsan no, maabot pa kinabukasan yan.
Correct, oo. Kumbaga hindi ka charge ng charge, hindi ka rin natatakot pag nasa coverage ka kasi alam mo na kahit the whole day kang nasa labas and wala kang power bank, kayang-kaya.
Oh, parang tayo, all day, kaya tumatagal, basta may Coke Zero lang.
Pang matagalan. Yan. So, friends, follow Sir Ted Claudio. Saan ka ba nila pwedeng i-follow, sir?
At whatsapp.ph ang aking blog and ang aking bagong tech channel ngayon, Gear Acquisition Syndrome sa TikTok.
Wow.
Yan, puro gastos doon, puro gastos.
Thank you so much, Sir Ted.
Thank you rin for the
Thank you for gracing the interview. Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.
Hi, guys. So, with me is Tito Rafi Pedrahita. So,
You know what? If you missed the X9C 5G, it's the same tough smartphone, but it is now more affordable. That's it. Napakasimple lang.
oo nga.
Diba?
Oh, 10,799.
Right.
Ay, via, I mean, 10,799 via Shopee.
Sa Shopee.
Sulit na sulit.
And pwede mo pa siyang hulugan lang.
Oo nga, 120 pesos per
Correct.
day.
Pag inactivate mo yung SPay later mo. That's it.
And you can enjoy the toughness more or
Yes.
less of the Honor X9.
The same.
So,
Halos
about
walang
the design,
pinagbago. Design,
Tito Rap.
it's the same as the X9C 5G. Halos walang pinagbago. Matibay, pwede mong... We don't advise na ilalaglag mo siya. Pero yung mga accidental bumps and laglag, hindi ka mamamroblema.
Kaya-kaya. Oo nga, perfect for daily use, especially if you're commuting or you're in a
Right.
job na medyo, you know, you're always out and about.
And if you're always clumsy like me. Di ba?
Oo nga, sakto rin yun.
Konting galaw, nalalaglag yung phone mo.
Maraming ganyan. Di ba maraming ganyan?
Yes.
Thank
you, Mark.
so much. Hi, Dayan.
Hello.
Dayan, anong favorite feature mo ng Honor X9C Smart 5G?
For me, I have two favorite features. First, syempre yung AI. Kasi di ba before, pwede ka pang mag-download ng app, magbabayad ka pa to have that feature. Pero ngayon, free na siya. Yeah, integrated na siya. Second, yung battery life niya, ang tagal, di ba?
Kumbaga, hindi lang tough.
Yeah.
Marami pa siyang extra features that you can
That's
actually
right. Of course. Mm-mm.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Dayan.
you.
Thank you. Hey guys, this is my friend, Dennis Lo. Dennis, what do you say about the Honor X9C Smart 5G? Para siyang mini Honor X9C. So it's still very tough, but extremely affordable. Kita nyo naman. So make sure you take advantage of all of the vouchers para bumaba talaga ng ganitong price. It's all about making sure you get all of them. What do you say? What's your favorite feature?
For me, siguro the camera because it's a really good camera for the price. Also the storage, ang laki ng storage, at saka ng memory.
Saka ang laptop yan.
256, normally 10K, di ba?
How about the design?
I love the green one.
Ako naman, I like the kasi I like the gold details of on the black. So ano naman, pareho naman silang elegant compared to your case. But siguro, if you like something more understated, go for the black. If you like the pop color, go for the gold.
Get both.
You can also get Thank you, Dennis. So hi guys, this is Carl, and Carl, I just want to ask you, what's your favorite feature of the Honor X9C Smart 5G?
For me, I think yung okay na feature sa kanya yung yung you get all these features na parang mala X9C na rin at a more affordable price point.
True.
I think that's actually one of the better reasons why you should get you should get a smartphone na all around. Hindi lang yung parang nagfo-focus lang siya sa one feature. Kumbaga, you're getting performance here, you're getting the 5G connectivity, you're still getting a nice display kahit IPS yan. That's 120 Hz IPS display. You're still getting fast charging and a good battery life. And of course, at the price point na mas mura sa X9C 5G, kapag di mo kayang bilhin, that's something that you can choose as an option. More affordable, exclusive, available online.
Thank you, Carl. Would you like to do a drop test for everyone? Ayan, guys, live drop test from Carl. Yeah. Ayan na. Guys, ito na yan. Yun!
Boy pa,
Boy pa, kita na
boy
yan.
pa.
Ayan guys, boy pa.
Boy pa. Boy pa.
Okay, thank you so much, Carl.
Thank you, Mark. Thank you.